What's up guys, it's me Lego Paradise here, and today I'm going to show you how to build this working Lego food mixer. So to begin mixing, we'll first need to position the mixer over the food bowl, and then once you're ready to start mixing up your food, just simply you turn the handle at the back of your food mixer, and the contents of your bowl are nicely mixed up by the whisk inside. This is a very simple but very cute little mechanism that's a perfect addition to any of your Lego kitchens and restaurants. It works especially well if you want to mix up some mixture to make some Lego muffins or cupcakes like the chef over here. Once you're done, you can simply move the mixer out of the way and remove your bowl. And another cool thing about this mechanism is it even works when it's up in the air. So if you've got something larger that you want to mix up, you can still do that. Or of course you can move it down into position and that will still continue mixing away as you turn the handle. So let's take a look at how to build it. Here's what you're going to need to build your working food mixer. And once you've got your pieces, we can start by building the stand, which will be a 1x1 stud on top of a 1x1 round brick and another stud on top of that. Then use this Technic piece, attach it on one side, just like that. And then we can attach this inner Technic piece, just like that. And we're actually going to want to use a pneumatic T-shaped piece, just to act as a bar, so that will allow you to move the mixer up and down. Then over on this side, we can place a 1x3 axle with the stud attachment over on the top there, and secure that in place with a half Technic bushing piece. And that will be the handle which will allow you to turn the mixer and mix up your food. Then over on the end, place a 1x1 Technic pin with a stud on the top. Then put some actual 1x1 round studs over on the top of those two pins. Then you can join them together with a 2x2 Technic rubber band piece. So just going to want to make sure that is underneath the ridge of each of those studs, and that way when you turn this handle over on this side, the studs will rotate around and turn the actual mixer and the whisk part of your food mixer. So for the whisk, we'll use an actual whisk piece. This is from one of the collectible minifigures. And now you can see when we turn this handle here, the actual whisk around the front will move around as well. So there you go, you can see it's a little bit tricky to turn sometimes, but once you get turning, the mixer will start mixing up any of your food very nicely. So now your mixer is done, all that's left to do is to get a table, and this is really simple. So to attach a bowl, just place it with this amount of space in between the bowl and the mixer. And then you can clip your mixer down. And like you saw at the beginning, you can angle the mixer up and test it out. And then once you're ready to actually mix up the contents of your food, just angle it downwards and you're ready to start mixing. So I hope you enjoyed building this working Lego food mixer. And if you did, leave this video a like. Let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more Lego creations. Also check out my other how to build working Lego videos, where I show you how to make lots of different functional minifigure scale working machines and creations. So I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.